guys, this is all I got for July 1st harvest. 2 Dester tomatoes. I went ahead and picked these because it's been over 100 degrees for the past 3 or 4 days, and I don't want them to mess up on me. And a few okra. All right, see y'all on the next harvest. I'm gonna let y'all guess what I'm gonna do today. Yep, I believe I'm gonna harvest some tomatoes. Got a couple Dester tomatoes I need to harvest. And finally, I've got Kellogg's breakfast tomatoes. I might pick a couple of those. That's a monster right there. And of course, I've got some Brandywines. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these. Let them ripen in the house. And of course, I've got some okra that I'm gonna harvest. Yummy. Hey guys, today is July 6th, and I believe I've let this okra get a little big on me. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest it. There's one I'm gonna get right there, which is perfect size. There's one. I'm gonna have a lot of them this time. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick a couple of these Ildai cherry tomatoes. And I'm also gonna harvest the pink Brandywines. I've got 3 here, and I've got a lot there. I'm gonna go ahead and get those. All right, guys. Here's my July 6th harvest with a bunch of okra, some peppers. The sun's getting to my peppers. They ain't looking too good. See how they wrinkly and stuff? These turned out pretty good, my purple bells. Got some Ildai cherries, bunch of black prints, bunch of pink Brandywines, and 2 Kellogg's breakfast. So I believe July is going to be a good month for harvest. See y'all next time. Hey guys, today is July 8th, 2012. And I will be harvesting some tomatoes today. This right here is a Kellogg's breakfast tomato. I've got a couple of those I'll be harvesting today. I've also got some Brandywines I'll be taking in the house today. Back there. And I've got a cluster of Dester tomatoes. They're feeling kind of ripe. And if I walk through my okra plants, I've got okra there. Got a big one there. I've got some on this plant. I've just got a couple on every plant I've got. So I'll be harvesting some okra also. Alright guys, here it is. I've got another batch of okra. We've got 3 Desters, 2 Brandywines, and 2 Kellogg's. All adding up into my kitchen. I've got a lot of tomatoes in my kitchen right now. I can't eat them all. Hey guys, today is July 10th. And yes, I will be doing another harvest today. I've already cut these sunflowers here. I was going to get the seeds out of them, but as you see, the birds only left me a little bit here. There's a little more than that one, but I'm going to save the seeds out of these sunflowers. But other than that, I've got, of course, I've got okra that I'm going to harvest. And I've got a couple orange bells down there. Alright guys, here it is, the July 10th harvest. Not a lot of tomatoes this time, thank goodness. But I did get a bunch of orange bells here, and a couple red bells, a bunch of okra, some ripe Cubanelle peppers that turned red on me, some black prints, a Kellogg's tomato, and a Dester tomato. And these are supposed to be yellow bells, but they look kind of like the orange bells, pretty much. But they're yellow bells, and I got one little purple bell there. And my sunflowers. I'm tired of the birds eating them, so I picked a couple of them to see if I can harvest the seeds out of them. Alright, catch you next time. Hey guys, today's July 11th, and I come out here and already picked a bunch of things, and goodness gracious, I do not know how I missed that, but I probably had to miss this thing for about weeks or so. I don't know if that's going to be any good or not, but I'm going to try it. I got some banana peppers, Cubanelle, purple bells, chocolate bells, and yellow bells, and a big old bucket full of hill-dyed cherry tomatoes. That's my July 11th harvest. See y'all next time. Well, hello again. Today is July 12th, and this is my harvest. Not a lot here, but it's getting later on in the season, and not many tomatoes are coming off. But I've got a Dester, Kellogg's, Brandywines, 2 orange bells. Hadn't really turned yet on this one, but I went ahead and picked it anyways, and some more okra. Alright, see y'all on the next harvest. Hello guys, today is July 14th, and of course, once again, I will be harvesting okra. I've let them get a little big on me there. There's a couple I can pick right there. Oh yeah, I gotta pick some of these things. Alright guys, this is my harvest for July 14th. Not much here, but I've got a couple tomatoes I'm probably gonna pick tomorrow. It's getting kind of dark right now, so I wanted to hurry up and get inside. But I've got some red bell peppers here and a bunch of okra. Man, I'm gonna be tired of eating okra. See y'all next time. Hello everybody. Today's July 15th, and I will be harvesting a Kellogg's breakfast tomato. Probably a couple of them. There's one right there too. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these black prints already split, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these Brandywines. Come on. There it is. This one looks perfect. Change it to ounces. There we go. Alright, let's see how much it weighs. Alright guys, this is what I got this time. Some Kellogg's, some Brandywine, some purple bells, some black prints, and 3 okra pods. Now yesterday these were too small to pick, and look how fast they grew in one day. So that's what I got for this harvest. See y'all on the next harvest. Alright, July 17th harvest. Got 2 Dester tomatoes, pretty nice size, probably over a pound there. And a lot of okra. And 2 little Brandywines. Alright, see y'all on the next harvest. OMG! Look at what I picked today. Today is July 20th, and I sure did get a lot of stuff. Some red bells, some chocolate bells, green bells. These are Brandywines. Kellogg's breakfast, some ambrosia cantaloupe. They just fell right off the stem, so I'm not sure if they're ripe or not. Some Dester tomatoes, some banana peppers, and a whole lot of okra. Alright, see y'all on the next harvest. This is the July 22nd harvest. 2 brandywines, a bunch of okra, and Dester.
Bunch.
Yep. That's it. Hey guys, once again, today is July 25th, 2012, and we are winding down to the end of the month. Only a few more days left. All them bell peppers, they look real good, don't they? And a whole lot of okra. And a few brandywines, Kellogg's breakfast, and Dester tomato. Alright, I'll probably get one more harvest in for this month, and I'll post this video. See y'all then. Hey guys, today is July 29th, 2012, and I believe this will be my last harvest video for this month. I've got a lot of okra today. Bunch of brandywines. I got a little small Kellogg's. They're starting to grow small now because of the heat, I guess. But I got a green bell and some Dester tomatoes. I'm not sure I'll get a lot of tomatoes in August, but we'll see. Alright, see y'all next month.